How to buy Bitcoin with AstroPay Direct and vouchers. AstroPay is an online payment system that serves millions of customers in Asia, Africa, and Latin America. It is a reloadable card that can be funded by local payment methods and home bank accounts. And with the help of Paxful, you are now able to buy Bitcoins with AstroPay in a few simple steps. 1. Log in to your Paxful account. If you haven't done so already, the first step is to create a Paxful account. It only takes a few minutes and you even get a free Bitcoin wallet in the process. Also, if you'd like to take advantage of additional benefits before you start your first transaction, we recommend verifying your account. The link to the site is in the description of this video. 2. Select AstroPay Direct as your payment method. Now that you have your Paxful account, go to the home page and set Bitcoin as the coin you want to buy in the widget. Then set your payment method to AstroPay Direct and click Find Offers. 3. Select a reputable seller. You will then see a list of Bitcoin sellers from around the world that match your requirements. Additionally, you can use filters such as location and user type to see sellers from certain countries or users who have undergone additional security checks by Paxful. Before embarking on a trade, click the Buy button to read the seller's requirements. Also, don't forget to check the seller's reputation score and comments on their previous transactions to assess the seller's reliability. 4. Start the transaction with the seller. Start the transaction by setting the amount of BTC you want to buy on the seller's offer page and click Buy Now. A live chat will then appear, where you can interact with the seller for further instructions. The seller will provide their wallet number and can also set the payment type to choose when sending the money, such as AstroPay Regular. 5. Send the payment, and receive Bitcoins. Send the payment following the instructions given by the seller using AstroPay Direct or AstroPay Voucher, then mark the transaction as paid. Once the seller has confirmed the payment, your BTC will be released from the secure escrow account in your Bitcoin wallet. In just 5 steps, you can now get started with Bitcoin. If you have other assets on hand, you can browse over 350 payment methods to buy Bitcoin, Ether or Tether on Paxful. The link to AstroPay offers verified on Paxful is in the description of this video. If you liked this content, please subscribe.